Girl, I could have gatekept this to myself, but I didn't. Here's how all of this began. After experiencing Korean aesthetics firsthand in Korea, I was desperate to find non-invasive treatment. Things that improved density, texture, the signature K-beauty glow. But I live in Michigan, so I thought, girl, I found Angela. Ah. I love a strawberry side on the side next to you. Pure Seoul aesthetics, the best of K-beauty aesthetics. This was important to me because she had Korean med spa experience and using actual products from Korea. No, but this is serious business because she's the first person in Michigan to have the Korean density machine, which you won't see in this video, but you will see on my Instagram. This density machine is like the hottest rave in Korea right now because every Korean celebrity uses it. Why do you think I have a snatched face right now? It's so good. Anyway, we did a thing or two like injecting rejuran, salmon DNA, salmon. The vampire facial. You know, the one that went viral because of Kim K, but it's been around in Korea for forever. Again, those two treatments will be on my Instagram. If you are from Michigan and you book her and you mention that you've seen this video or my post on Instagram, you get 10% off and there's nothing in it for me, truly. I could have gatekept this to myself. I could have just like let this be for me, but instead I'm sharing it. Today, we're gonna erase these indentations and just wait till you see the results. It is time to get rid of these indentations in my face. If you guys have been watching me since the beginning of my time on YouTube, you guys would know that I had horrible hormonal acne, and with that it came with a lot of popping and bleeding, scarring. In person especially, like I like to cover this side of my face because of how much indentation and texture I have. This side's okay, but this side's getting like super like sun damagey. May I say it's catching up on top of enlarged pores. So today we're going to Angela. We're getting that fixed. Yay. I made myself comfortable, okay? Angela's cleansing my face first to remove surface bacteria, dirt, oil, and any makeup residue that's still sitting on my crusty face. I should have asked for some cleanser for my mouth too because I'm literally yapping to her about my date the other day. Someone throw a brick at me the next time I start like a man. Angela's taking some numbing cream and she's ensuring that I lose all feelings. Even though it takes a couple hours to wear off completely and you'll feel like you're drooling when talking, it does help with the oncoming pricking. How deep is the microneedling gonna go in?
So it depends on the area. So places like the acne scars, we have to go in a little bit deeper. Places like the forehead, under eyes, we go in more superficial because it's a thinner area.
And we let that sit for a solid 20 minutes or so. I know we're familiar with at-home microneedling kits like the brand Banish, so I think that's why I expected Angela to bust out a roller pen. This thing's a beast, the real deal. It's a microneedling pen or device. It's motorized and the needle depth can be adjusted, customized depending on what your licensed professional sees fit. As you can see, she's going in little circular motions between every nook and cranny. Evidently, there's pricking, some redness, and a little trickling of bleeding may occur. That is very normal. Relax. So what does microneedling do? It rejuvenates the skin, creating micro injuries that stimulates the body's natural wound healing response, meaning high boost in collagen and elastin production that helps remodel scar tissue. It's also going to improve skin texture and tone overall, which is my goal. So Angela paired this up with a medical grade CBD oil that was developed by a highly renowned professional in the aesthetic space, and this thing is pure magic. It reduces roughness and uneven patches, refining my pores and enhancing my skin's overall radiance, smoothing out those indentations and really just seeping into those deeper crevices. Just wait to see the after result. Okay, so in terms of pain, I have the lowest pain tolerance to ever exist. Trust me, I'm a baby. On a scale of 1 being the lowest and 10 being the most intense pain, this is a solid 3 in my books, a 3. The numbing helps a lot, and perhaps because of the microneedling depth that it was set at, it was very doable. Angela was super gentle and it made it really relaxing for me because she was someone who I can trust. She knew what she was doing. She was super honest with everything she performed, so it didn't make me feel tense at all.
Make an angry face. Yep. And stay just like that.
See how deep that line. Like it's very genetics. My mom and dad both have like this.
The deep line, yeah. Raise your eyebrows all the way up. Okay. You know how people get like droopy eyebrows after Botox? You're not gonna have that problem. It's gonna be like a skin Botox. More superficially, we're gonna treat the lines but not affecting the movement. So it's not gonna make it heavy. Okay?
Ooh, yes.
All right.
Oh my god, I'm so excited.
Here, we're just gonna do a little bit of like baby Botox.
Okay. Angela, you like have no idea. I've been dreaming of this for like 2 years. So it's like, oh my gosh, I've been dreaming of Botox.
We were both like manifesting like each other.
I know, so crazy. And now you know everything about my dating life. You're like half my therapist. I come here for therapy and get my face done. Distracting ourselves.
Sit you up a little bit.
Okay, bring it. I'm ready.
Go ahead and frown for me like you're mad.
Like, I don't even know how to frown.
I know.
Oh my goodness, look at me. Honestly, after what we did, like this is nothing.
Right? I know. After rejuran, you can do anything.
Yeah, rejuran, that's what it's called.
Eyebrows all the way up and keep it raised like that.
We're done?
We're done. It does take up to 2 weeks for everything to set in. That's it. We're done.
Oh my
That's
gosh.
so good.
Thanks, girly. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I got Botox. Angela is seriously the sweetest person ever. I love her so much already. She feels like a close friend already. Maybe I overshare. I can't believe I got Botox in my head. And my 11, which I've been dying to get for like the past 2 years. My face is still a little numb. I feel like I can't feel my lips. I feel like I look a little crazy too. I'm gonna link everything down below. If you live in Michigan, please, if you're into the Korean aesthetics, I highly recommend coming to see Angela. You guys have to. I've been experiencing a lot of purging and breaking out. Could also be because my diet this week has been horrendous, abysmal. It feels a little bumpy. I feel like a lot of little milia has been surfacing onto my face. It's been 1 full week and I want to give it another week or so to see how my skin clears up. But also I take responsibility because I've not been eating good, and usually when I'm having lots of greasy foods, that happens. So yeah, look at my forehead. It's just operating on its own. I have very prominent arches. Genetics. My dad had very highly pointed arches. Over the years, I've plucked and regrown and maneuvered my eyebrows to the shape they are. Then whenever I would do my brows and I would talk, like my brows never looked nice and straight and put. I just was not a fan of that. Okay, I never understood it because I'm always like, wait, everyone's eyebrows just sit nicely. Like why? And I realized after Botox, my eyebrows sit nicely now. They stay as I draw them. In terms of my skin, I've not been hydrating as much. Like I need to drink more water clearly. But overall, my skin's been so smooth. It's looked so good under makeup, especially. In terms of the improvement in a month, I'm so much more confident wearing my skin as is. And it's just like, it feels nice. Honestly, if you're struggling with texture like I am, this is what you need. You want Korean aesthetic med spa practices that use Korean products because they don't play when it comes to these treatments. Why do you think I waited so long? Because I didn't want to go to just like any clinic. I wanted Korean med spa. Treat yourself and book Angela. Again, if you mention her, you get 10% off. Also the Botox, it was just a little treat for myself and I wanted to share. So girl, do you know what I mean now? Oh my gosh, they say but like that's me raising my eyebrows for you to see like the wrinkles up here. I love that she didn't overdo it. It's still natural to the point where you can still see a little bit of movement, but there's no 11 line. Again, I'm not saying that this is something you must have or you need. If you've been considering it and you want to do it, at least have this information as a resource. Shoot her a message if you're curious and you want to know more things. I'm just the messenger. Okay, anyway, gotta go. Bye, love you.
Tell me what you do on a Sunday. I'm tired of all these Friday nights.